coming to app deployment to Azure. So I have the following subscriptions. So all 4 are disabled. It appears. Let me see. All 4 are disabled. So we need to create one. I'll create one right away. Alright, choose the app, right click on it, Azure, and publish as Azure WebApp. Choose that option and then create an app service first. App service is the runtime. Alright, so like it should match the local runtime. Like we have Tomcat here and JVM versions. Tomcat version should match. And that will be on Linux though, right? This is on Windows right now, but that will be on Linux, predominantly Linux. So create, enter a name, and it's already entered name, but it will be with this is a unique name on the web, .azurewebsites.net. that will be postfixed to this app name. You can rename it, of course, you can change it. And subscription is Azure sponsorship. Do these two, right? But then what we have is not showing up here. From here, it is not showing up here. We have to do something. Let me check. In fact, this Azure Pass sponsorship is disabled, but then we will still go ahead and see what happens. Go ahead and click Linux, choose Linux, Tomcat 9, which is matching to local here, and JRE8, and I'm using JRE8 here. So we have various combinations here, but then appropriately we can choose Tomcat 9, JRE8. I think it's reading some information, so it's matching. I did not choose it. And the next one is app service plan. Use existing app service plan or create a new. Since we don't have any app service plan, go ahead and create new. And here, instead of ASP, this is a Java, right? So go with JSP. So if you see this area and this area, it matches, always matches. All right. So, but then here this area will be WebApp, and here JSP. That's it. And location, let's make it East US. Alright, and processing tier is basic B1 or free F1. Let's see that. App service pricing details are given here. Try Azure for free and so on, but I'm not. You can calculate it here. So if you want app service, go ahead and choose app service. I'm not going to detail, but at a very high level I'm showing here. App service view basic B1. Oh, we have B1 here. B1, B2, B3. I will choose here in Eclipse as B1. Alrighty. Instances 1, 730 hours. So should be good, but monthly cost is 54.75. So that is increasing, right? We can go with lesser numbers, I believe. Just we need to test it. Maybe for 24 hours. Just for 48 hours. $3.60. All right. And after app is tested, since this is development only and I'm testing it, the feature, so you can just test it for 2 or 3 days and that should be good. But then I'm seeing something like estimated monthly cost is this much. Alright, oh, we have to choose Linux basic. Here B means basic. West, east, no, east US. This is a calculator, right? So still is happening 110. Estimated upfront cost, estimated monthly cost is $110. So after we are testing, after the testing is done, we should immediately delete it. So this is another app service. Oh, sorry, did I do it? Okay, let's wait a second. 48 Eastern US. There will be this one. So this is this is adding up everything from this total, subtotal, and then this. So yeah, we just need to collapse these and see, add up all, it will bring 100, 110, something like that. But then this is just a calculator giving an overview of the cost, monthly cost. So going back here, choose basic B1, existing resource group or resource group. Let us see, did I create a resource group? Resource group. Oh, we have resource groups here. Oh, I did not create a resource group here. So create a resource group. Subscription. Oh, okay. App service resource group, something like Eastern US. Next tags. Review create, validation failed. Basics. This is disabled. Go for D8 and next review create, validation passed, create, go to the resource group, this is the resource group here and it is connected to D8 subscription. This is a subscription 1D8 subscription 1D8 is here. Alright, okay, we might need to create again and use existing resource group. Okay, it's not showing up. We might need to create East US, since we have created a resource group in East US. East US still not showing up. No, this we are not going it. We don't need that. This is JSP. Resource group is not showing up. Okay, create a new resource group. Go ahead with that and then create. So it says 2 exceptions occurred. Where are those exceptions? Okay, I need to go to Azure Explorer, I believe. or Azure Explorer. Open perspective. Okay, no. Oh, okay, now it is showing up all the subscriptions which are there. So delete all of this, select only one, and then Azure, go ahead and try again. Create. And Linux, JSP, East-US Basic. All right. Subscription is I've selected this one, App Service Pay. All right, the one which you have chosen here. Say create. Click create. Now it is creating app service. It will take a while, I believe. So I am doing it first time. So it is my first experience. Let us see how it goes. Creating app service. We'll track here. Creating app service. Nothing is created yet. Refresh. Nothing yet. I'm reading subscription list. Reading app services. Looks like it is progressing now. Oops. So this is the app which is going to deploy. All right, with Tomcat. JDK is GRE 8. Web container is Tomcat 9. Pricing tier is basic B1. And if you want to deploy to a slot, you can do it. But if your particular environment has if you want to run in a particular environment multiple versions, go with a slot. Otherwise, just leave it and you can just deploy it. Alright, so I'm not choosing the slot right now. This is testing only. Alright, it's deploying the app right now. In progress. We will watch on the Azure portal what's happening. Okay, not yet. Go back to Eclipse. I'm going to pause it for a while. So I see we can see here Azure activity log shows is published. How do we test it, right? Azure activity log, we just click the published, click the link, but then before that we need to verify whether it is loaded here. Not sure why, but then let's see. Click it. It's working. There we go. 229 currencies. Whereas here it's 225. I don't know, 4 are increased on the Azure. So yeah, that's what it is, and I'm wondering why it does not show up. But then maybe we don't need to worry. I'll keep it for later. I will come back to you on this. So for now this looks good, and meanwhile the Azure Explorer is here. We can click here and go to the Azure Explorer, expand it. We have container registries, HD Insight, Redis caches, web apps. If we click here, refreshing, so it's showing up here, right? Web app 339. So refresh again. Okay, I'll come back on this later. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it makes your work simple, but I hope the concept is clear to you. The potential is high, and the performance and the scalability and security will be high on the platform and the Azure platform, right? Since it is IaaS. Alright, thanks for watching my video. I will get to you in the next session. Until then, bye.